Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to sharing a Besan face pack for glowing and clear skin. This face pack suitable for all skin type. I am sure you will be find able to these ingredients easily in your kitchen. So let's see what are the ingredients that we need. The first ingredient that we need is besan. It has natural properties that fight with pimples, remove dirt and gives a glowing skin. The next ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric adds natural glow to your skin, help with anti-aging and improves skin texture. Next ingredient is lemon. Lemon fights pimple and inflammatory acne, regulates oily skin and gives naturally lightened skin tone. Second last ingredient is curd. Curd works as a natural moisturizer, provide face and skin hydration and tighten your pores. And the last ingredient is honey. Honey moisturizes the skin deeply, acts as a pore cleanser and useful in sunburn. Mix well until everything gets well combined and you get a lump-free smooth paste. You can see my face before applying the mask. My skin very dull, rough or bumpy to the touch. So let's start applying the face pack. Always wash your face with a face wash before going for any exfoliation or face pack. Apply a thick layer of the mask on your face. You can easily use this 3 to 4 times in a week depending on your skin type. The face pack is the easiest, natural and ultimate solution to most of your skin problems, be it acne and pimples, pigment, acne marks, tanning, dullness or anything. For the first use, you will able to notice a difference in your skin. You will feel your skin is brighter, soft, clean and supple, and after continuous usage, you will realize that Besan face pack is working on your acne, pimples and pimples marks are fading off. Your pigmentation is reducing, your skin is getting free from oil head and blackhead, and you are having even toned, moisturized, smooth, glowing and healthy skin. Rub it on your face for a while. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash it off with water in a soft, gentle and scrubbing motion. After washing off the Besan face pack, follow up with a toner if you are using it. Then apply your favorite moisturizer. So this was it for today. Hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay guys, bye bye.